Seriously, why wouldn't you see this NASCAR? Why wouldn't you know this?
Giving more kids options and just opportunities because I just think, especially when it comes to sport, no matter what sport you're involved with, I just think it makes you a well-rounded person because you do end up in locker rooms, you do end up in garages, you do end up in areas with people from all different walks of life and nationalities and all that kind of stuff. I think it just makes us better people when we have that intimate relationship that you have when you're in locker rooms with people. It helps with understanding for sure.
The NASCAR is certainly going to have an interesting day to come. Questions and the next
NASCAR, whoever said this was the news, turned it over to the FBI news to answer for what they said.
We've talked about it over the last couple of weeks, but if they're honest about who they are and what they do and what they stand for, they'll come out of it just fine, and we'll move on. We'll have racing here in a couple of weeks. In the meantime, Major League Baseball and the Major League Baseball Players Association made a joint announcement yesterday. They both put out a statement on social media, Joe, that the two sides had agreed to terms on safety and testing protocols, and so Rob Manfred has his 60-game season. Teams are going to play against their divisional rivals and then their geographic counterparts, as we talked about yesterday. For example, the National League East teams will play against the American League East teams when they're not playing against teams in their own division. There are two big rule changes coming up for this season. The universal designated hitter and a modification to extra innings that will see each inning, starting at the 10th inning, start, Joe, with a runner on second base. You okay with that, so that we don't have tons of extra inning games moving forward?
Yeah, because it is a 60-game schedule, and you've got 64 days to play the 60 games, roughly, something along those
Okay, I'll
lines.
do that.
Yeah, I guess, because the last thing we want is an 18 or a 21, inning affair, something along those lines, because that would put both teams at a huge disadvantage as you move forward. So, that's fine. It'll be something new to watch. It's a little bit different. You go right to strategy as soon as that happens, and that's what I love. I love to get to the strategic part of baseball.
Could we have a 10th inning clean first, though? Could we have one inning of pure baseball? One inning where
You got 9.
the team is coming up, with the heart in their order. And so, just the way the game has progressed and the way both teams have had an equal number of opportunities, one team has put itself in
So is that first guy up
position.
going to be on second?
To me,